This video was sponsored by Enhance, Neowatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning. We start by going to this cafe restaurant. Yeah, because they didn't have, the kitchen was closed on Monday on the hotel. So anyway, we have some, pork steak. Oh, this is too hot. Outside. Yeah, some fish and chips, some soup. Oh yeah. And this is actually a family-friendly restaurant because there are lots of toys there. There's lots of toys you can pick and play with. Oh, it's great. Yeah, so the kids, they're occupied while waiting for the food.
No.
It's now almost 2 in the afternoon. The kids have been sleeping for a while now. It is good timing. They tend to sleep from noon until around 2. So yeah, we are just cruising now, getting close to Bangkok. Consumption is really nice and low. Look at that. Only 167 watt-hour per kilometer. With full family with us, with some extra cargo, you know? Yeah, so, no, that's since start. Yeah, okay, well, close enough. See here, since, okay. So yeah, we can cruise 125 on the speed, which is 120 GPS speed. I can show you here, but well. So it goes fairly well. It's Monday today, so not too much traffic, just the regular stuff. Okay. We have arrived at the PTT station, the flagship, the cool station. But look here, from Nakhon Sawan to Bangkok, only 153 watt-hour per kilometer. Actually, this trip meter here is kind of incorrect. This is where I reset, where we were stationary for a bit. We had to change diaper. But yeah, so yeah, that's pretty good. Now we're gonna plug in. We have 34%. We just have to top up. Oh yeah, we're charging now, but seems like this plug is limited to 200 amp. Oh, those damn 200 amp plugs. Oh yeah, Isabel is in the back there. Isabel, okay, we're gonna go out now. Hang on. She's as impatient as her mother, but we're getting 87 kilowatt hour per hour. Okay, I guess that's good enough. So yeah, this is the second time I'm here. I like this location because it's unlike any gas station I've seen. It has some futuristic design, lots of restaurants. We actually want sushi, so we're gonna go for sushi. So yeah, plenty of food around here. I like it a lot. See, first world problems. The sushi hasn't arrived yet, or maybe it's arrived now. But I had to move the car. I was parked over there, but the car charged so fast. It even stopped once. I need to restart it. Charging session, and we're charging at only 88 kilowatts. So you know, this car charge is way faster, but it's plenty. As long as we are here with the family, then everything takes extra long time. Well, okay, the kids love corn, so we have some corn, some rice, some soup, and I think there's some pork here. Okay. Isabel didn't like it. We are now at Central Leapmotor. Again, mommy needs to run some errands here. I will stay here with the kids in the playground so they don't get too bored. It's all about the balance between driving and letting the kids play so they are not too grumpy. And they need to discharge because they've been charging 100% now. Oh yeah, we let the kids play. This is not that big. nice and cozy, and they're not so Nazi about socks and stuff like that. Yes, yes, okay. Let's play. Well, we have some dinner over here. Isabel just loves to play with the food. Yeah, and it's she's been playing with the food, and then she drinks it. Children, oh. And then they love blood. They love blood cake, but they have to moderate it only once per week because it's really high on iron. Yeah. Okay. We are near the hotel now, and we saw some mangosteen. We're gonna go get some. Maybe longan. Man, this area near the hotel is just packed. Yeah, motorcycle, cars, people, food. There's like stuff everywhere, man. Bangkok is just so alive, but also very crowded. I like the Changdao life. It's more chill, but also okay. Isabel doesn't really understand like Bangkok, what it is and stuff. Yeah, crap. Yeah. We had to walk a little bit. Yeah, but there was no parking over there. Here it is, 50 baht per kilogram, and then also lamyai, longan. So okay. Okay. But they are not that small, unlike we found in Chiang Mai. So the smaller ones are actually the best. But okay, we can try this. Okay, we take one bag of longan, 50 baht per kilogram. That's a little bit, 1.5 euros per kilogram. Oh yeah, fresh. Isabel has never tasted fresh longan, but she loves longan in the dried form, the rehydrated form. And then wifey needs to pick the mangosteens, yeah, the best ones. There's a way you feel it, and if it's not supposed to be too hard. If it gives way slightly, then that's good. Okay, room inspection. This is a family room. This is what we're looking for. Maybe not the best sound insulation between the two rooms, but at least we have a sofa here, TV there. I guess I'll be sleeping here with Isabel, one of the beds. We maybe could move. Okay, whatever. I think they're big enough. Yeah, main bed. This is where wifey and Axel will be sleeping. Air conditioning on both rooms. That's good. And then a little hallway here, and we have, well, just the air conditioning unit out there. Busy, well, not that busy, bro. This is in one of the sides, so it's not super loud. And then here we have actually a big fridge and microwave oven and a little sink. Okay, that's great. Well, another sink. Why do you need two sinks so close to each other? Ich weiß nicht. But yeah, I mean, it's not super fancy, but it was only 1,500 baht. So actually, that's a pretty good price for a family room. And the reception, and there's also a playground downstairs, and it looks okay. So at least it's better than yesterday, and I can feel when I walk here that it's not dirty. Oh, look at that! Someone's been wearing flip-flops. Let's try the mangosteen. Okay, so pop open this, and then you just squeeze it. Oh, it doesn't seem like it's that good. The one in Chiang Mai was a lot better. Oh. Yeah, you're supposed to squeeze it like this. Okay, now you see the inside here. Like this. Okay, let's try one of these. It has sweet and sour taste. Actually quite good. Iben, here, wanna try it? Try this. Come on. You like it? You don't like it? No. If you were real daddy, you would just eat it. Okay, you like longan. This is good. Oh, man. No, during COVID, we were kind of stuck in Thailand, Qingdao, 2020. We ate so much mangosteen in Qingdao. Oh, yeah. Take man. Axel, every time wifey is showering, he's like, ah! Mama dalt. Okay, let's try Longan. Just do it like this. I'm not sure if this is the correct way. It's like eating a banana, you know, there's 1,000 ways to do it. It's nice and sweet. I prefer mangkut or mangosteen. It's still quite good, but Isabel can't eat too much of this. Yeah, it's very sweet. Well, actually not super sweet, not like dates, but still, yeah. You like it, Isabel? You like it? Oh, you like it. Thank you. Okay.